The dental journey began when I was a teenager, and I had a couple of crooked teeth, so one had to be a molar, an upper, had to be taken out, and that led to a long string. I, for whatever reason, lost one and another and over years and did pretty well, and I began to notice about 10 years ago I wasn't chewing as well because there were missing teeth. So I had some replaced, and there was other deterioration in other teeth. Finally, I just said, okay, I've got to fix this.
He was very inquisitive. He had a lot of questions, and he had a very good idea of what he wanted done. We needed to let him know what our limitations were, what his own peculiar circumstances were, and what we could offer. And we fortunately could offer him a lot of good things, including trying to save what he had now and replacing what he had missing. But once he had a good idea of how much work would be involved in saving those not so good teeth, the cost of replacing the missing ones compared to the cost of having what is left removed and a complete new smile built for him, he was easily convinced it was better to go with the All-On-4 one-day surgery and have his smile restored.
The tiny scanner that was put in my mouth, the close-ups of all the details of every tiny fissure and formation in the old teeth was just impressive. It was over very quickly, and what came out of it was amazing. Just the exact perfect replica of what I had. So they were able to work with that, which was, excellent. Dr. Ogunleye explained to me the cantilever effect, which you do not want, and it was a lot better, and so I have 2, 4, 6. Very happy about that, and chew again. That's always helpful. Dr. Ogunleye has a very high reputation, and I was surprised that other dentists, some who just knew of him and some who knew him, said that. Right at the start, it was friendly and personable, and I said, I like this man. He's a good man. I want him for a friend, and that's just grown. We were just talking a while ago about how things are going in the business, and just friendly. A lot of people are friendly, but he's turned into a good friend of mine. Appreciate that.